All right, let's talk about the new archiving system. Pretty straightforward. Let's go to the posts. I'm gonna go ahead and let me go ahead and just. I guess I'll use this. Well, maybe you might be using that. Never mind. Let me do a new one. I'll just call this Charlie's Archive. Paste in some dummy text here. Let me go ahead and set a featured image. That way, that thumbnail is showing up of the actual rollover. The image in the article. Let me use something from your library here. What do we have in here? How about this? How about this yummy hot dog? Let's see what we got here. All right, featured. Let's see. Okay, featured image. Okay, that's all set. Now what I need to do is choose the category this is going to show up in. Obviously, we're talking about the recipes page, so I want to select that. Go ahead and publish. Now I'm going to quickly remove this off. I need to show this for the demo so you can see what's going on. Okay, so if I refresh this page, I should have this one in here. There it is. There's the archive, and if I click this, I should now have the full article. There we are. There's the article, the dummy text. If I click the archive link, I will now see them show up in the full list. Now, with the way this is set up, let me remove this before I read it. You can only show one per category because we're really rewriting how WordPress works. It's looking for one category. Otherwise, the archive is not going to work. Let me rephrase that. If you choose more than one category for these posts, the system's going to pick one category to show up in. So if you set this to, let's say, recipes, and then you set it to, I don't know, feast on this, it's going to show up in one or the other in the archive list. It's how it works. It's how it has to be, because, like I said, we're reinventing the wheel just for this particular section. But as long as you stay, I don't know why you would do that, but just in case if you do come across that and you see a problem, that's why it's like that, because bottom line is it has to be logically set up like that because it's looking for one category. Okay? Now, let's say you need to choose a new section. Right now we got feast on this, and we got recipes, and etc., etc. Maybe you just create a new one, whatever that may be. I need to show you how to do that so this will display correctly. First thing you want to do is make your category. So before you do anything else, make a category. And let's just call this barbecue chicken for now. I'm going to remove this out, so don't worry about that right now. We'll add this. Okay, so that's your main category now, barbecue chicken. Next thing we need to do is make a page that hosts, basically it's going to hold this category, this section, this area. All right, so let's do add new. I'm going to give it the same name just so it's easy to keep track of, barbecue chicken. And then what's really important is under template over here, under page attributes, template, we want to choose archive, because that's what we're working with, is an archive. Publish this. Don't worry, this will not show up on the live in unless you set it. Okay, with me so far? All right, so remember, category first, make your page, choose your template archive, save all those. Then what we want to do is come to posts. Sorry, jumping around there. Actually, let me do one you already have. That way I don't have to create then delete, and I'll change this back. So let's do let's do vegan's voice. I'll change his. You know what? Sorry about that. I'm not going to mess with that because I might forget where stuff's going. Original idea. Okay. Let's see. Archive. Page test. Delete this. Got some fake text in there. Here we'll see my category I just added, barbecue chicken. All right, let's go ahead and grab a quick little image for this. Media library. Let's see, what do we have in the back? We'll do the cake. Use as featured image. We're set. Publish. Alright, so don't worry, like I said, I want to grab this off there as soon as I can. Alright, oh, my mistake, sorry. Let me view the page, view the post. That's what I want to do. That way it's not in the front. So, right now we'll see here is a new section, this is a new area, and we'll see your archive, but there's nothing here, and that's because it's the only post you've ever listed, so you need a post, additional post to go with this one. By default, it's going to show this one here, the main one you're looking at, and then over here is basically going to be the section of posts for that section. But if I click the archive list, what happens? I can actually see the one that I made, which is this one right here. Okay, so I'll go back over that again. Let me delete this before I forget. If you need to set a new one, the first thing you want to do is create a new category. Let me delete this one while I'm in here. Create your new category. Once you've done that, so go to Pages, make a new page, name the same page as your category. You don't have to, but it's good practice. Once you've done that, from your default template, choose Archive, and then when you're making your posts, you choose that category. Pretty straightforward. It might be a little confusing right now. More than likely, you don't need that right away, but when you do, just make sure you come back and watch the second half of this video. So, again, category first. Make a page that has that category, which we see right here, and then choose Template Archive. Then when you make your posts, you just choose which category you want to go in. And that's it, you are set.